Hello and welcome. I'm John, your safety trainer, here with today's lesson for healthcare support services during a pandemic. Before we begin, remember to sign off on your mobile device or online to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. While healthcare services are important no matter what may be happening in the community, it is the team of people working in all the various stages of patient care that are on the front lines of fighting a pandemic disease. Whether you greet patients, are serving at the front desk, are an ambassador, patient companion, or help with patient transportation, you play a vital role in providing healthcare to your community. Working during a pandemic in these roles can seem overwhelming at times, as you not only have to worry about the health of the patient, but your own health as well. This lesson will go over recommended practices and cleaning and disinfecting tips to keep you safe on the job. Even though recommended practices can aid in protecting yourself and others from catching a disease, you should not forget about cleaning and disinfecting your workspace. These additional tips can be used in conjunction with your company's cleaning and disinfecting policies. You can use one or more of the following: an EPA-registered disinfectant, such as wipes or aerosols, an alcohol solution with at least 70% alcohol, or a household bleach solution. However, you should note that bleach solutions are only effective for about 24 hours, so such solutions should only be made in small amounts or discarded at the end of the day, unless otherwise specified by the manufacturer. As far as what you should clean and disinfect, remember frequently touched surfaces and objects, including doorknobs and handles, all bathroom surfaces, desks, laptops, keyboards and mouses, remotes, chairs and armrests, and any other frequently touched surfaces or objects in your work area. If you are helping to transport patients, it is recommended that transport vehicles be frequently cleaned and disinfected as well. Be aware that some cleaners and disinfectants can harm surfaces or materials in vehicles, so you'll want to use cleaners that are specifically designed for vehicles, or use alternatives such as soap and water. For disinfectants, you'll want to use products that do not contain any bleach, hydrogen peroxide, or ammonia. Glass cleaners containing ammonia are fine if you're just using it on the glass. In a vehicle, you should focus on cleaning and disinfecting areas such as keys or fobs, door handles, the dash, steering wheel, seat belts, and switches, including those for temperature units, radio, GPS, and so forth. As always, please remember to use these products in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions and wear the appropriate PPE. Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.